Hey guys, wanted to bring to you guys some winter home maintenance tips real quick. Number one, you're going to want to check all your spouts around your house. Make sure they're not leaking. Make sure they're covered for the winter months so they don't burst. And make sure that you have all your hoses disconnected. Number two is check all of your gutters. Make sure they're free and clear of any debris so all the water runs away from your home. Number three is trim trees around your property. Make sure that when the wind isn't kicking up, they're not rubbing against your home. You're also going to want to reverse your ceiling fans. Make sure those are going the right direction. Clockwise for the colder months, counterclockwise for the summer months. Replace all your batteries in your smoke alarms. And also check your chimney and your fireplace for any soot or debris. You don't want to light your house on fire this year. So take care, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.